Did you know that 99% of the world's best swimmers wear red swimming trunks? Well, do not worry. After watching this video, you too can become a great swimmer. Similarly, today's video will guide you on how to transform your body in just 4 weeks using 5 simple exercises that anyone can do at home. Stay tuned because by the end of this video, you will have the tools to jumpstart your fitness journey. Maintaining a fit and healthy body is not easy. It requires determination, motivation, willpower, and resilience. One of the hardest parts of living a healthy lifestyle is taking that very first step and committing to starting. However, once you overcome that hurdle, you will have already achieved what many people do not have the willpower to accomplish. And as you continue, you will begin to see results, which will make it almost impossible to quit. Before we begin, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so that you never miss out on our daily tips and advice. Now, without further delay, let us jump right into these 5 simple exercises that can transform your body in just 4 weeks. Please make sure you watch the entire video, as skipping ahead may cause you to miss critical details that could negatively impact your health and progress. The first exercise is the plank. The plank is a core strengthening exercise that targets the abdominal area, shoulders, and back. This is an essential exercise for developing core strength, which improves posture and balance, while also reducing or preventing back pain. A strong core enhances not only your athletic performance but also your daily activities. By strengthening your core, you will protect yourself from injury. Additionally, the plank is known to help tone your abs. To perform the plank, begin by getting into a push-up position. Bend your elbows at a 90-degree angle and rest your weight on your forearms. Your elbows should be directly below your shoulders, and your body should form a straight line. Engage your core by pulling your stomach inward towards your spine and hold this position. If you are new to planking, try holding the pose for 30 seconds and gradually increase the time as you progress. The second exercise is the push-up. Push-ups are a classic full-body exercise that builds strength in your arms, chest, shoulders, back, abs, and legs. They are a compound movement, meaning they target multiple muscles at once. What is great about push-ups is that they can be done anywhere, without any special equipment. To perform a push-up, place your hands on the ground directly beneath your shoulders. Tighten your core, ensuring your body forms a straight line from head to toe. Lower your body toward the ground while maintaining this straight alignment. Then, exhale and push yourself back up. Are you familiar with these exercises so far? Keep watching for more exercises that will help you achieve your fitness goals in no time. The third exercise is the squat. Squats are another compound movement that engages multiple muscle groups, including the legs, hips, core, and lower back. Squats are a staple in building lower body strength and improving balance. They stimulate muscle growth, strengthen your joints, and help improve posture. To perform a squat, stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, facing forward with your chest up. Bend your knees and push your hips back as though sitting in an invisible chair. Lower yourself until your thighs are parallel to the floor. Be sure to keep your weight on your heels and push back up into a standing position. As you improve, you can start adding weights to increase resistance. If you are a beginner, ensure you are using the correct form and consider consulting with a trainer to avoid injury. Next, we have the bird dog. Like the plank, the bird dog targets the core and lower back while improving overall balance. This exercise strengthens the lumbar spine, which is key for preventing back pain. To perform the bird dog, start on all fours, with your hands directly beneath your shoulders and your knees under your hips. Extend your left leg and right arm simultaneously until they are parallel to the floor. Hold for a few seconds, then return to the starting position and switch to the opposite side. This exercise targets the erector spinae, gluteus maximus, trapezius, and deltoids, working several muscles at once to improve both strength and stability. Finally, we have the glute bridge. This exercise focuses on the glutes but also strengthens the core and hips, making it an excellent choice for preventing lower back pain. To perform the glute bridge, lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the ground. Your arms should rest at your sides with your palms facing down. Slowly lift your hips off the ground until your knees, hips, and shoulders are aligned. Squeeze your glutes and tighten your core while holding the position for a few seconds before lowering back down. Not only does this exercise tone the glutes, but it also strengthens the core, hamstrings, and adductors. Over time, you can progress to advanced variations of the glute bridge to further challenge your muscles. Remember, building a healthy body takes time, patience, and consistency. These exercises can help you kickstart your journey, but it is important to pair them with a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle. Always consult with your doctor or a professional before beginning any new workout routine, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Stay consistent with your routine, and over time, you will start to notice improvements in both your physique and overall health. If you found these exercises helpful, let us know in the comments section below. What other exercises or activities do you do to stay fit? Do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.